Hello students, today in this session I will tell you how to calculate packing percentage in different crystal systems for simple cubic, for FCC arrangement or for BCC arrangement. For simple cubic the packing percentage is 52.4%. For FCC you know packing percentage is 74%. For BCC the packing percentage is 68%. When we divide packing percentage by 100 we got packing fraction. Packing fraction for simple cubic system 0.524, FCC 0.74 and BCC 0.68. Packing percentage of the total space occupied by the spheres. In FCC system, the packing percentage is 74%. It means vacant space in FCC is 100 minus 74, that is 26%. The vacant space in BCC, packing percentage occupied space is 68%. Vacant space 100 minus 68, that is 32%. Now let's start. Number 1, simple cubic crystal system. We know packing percentage for simple cubic crystal system is 52.4%. Now we will derive. At first please mention simple cubic system. That is constituent particles are present only at corners. Unit cell contain 8 corners. Constituent particles are present only at corners. Suppose A is the edge length and R is the radius of sphere. A is edge length and R is the radius of spheres. Students, terminal ends of each edge are corners. Terminal ends of each edge are corners. A is edge length and R is the radius of sphere. Since two spheres are in direct contact with each other, that's the edge length A, students. Terminal end, it contains spheres. These spheres are in contact with each other. What is the radius of sphere? R. R plus R is equal to 2R. At first we mentioned this edge length as A. Small a is the edge length and R is the radius of sphere. It is clear? A is equal to 2R. Students, in simple cubic system we directly find A, that is equal to 2R. When we find A, we will apply the formula packing fraction equals to volume of sphere upon total volume of unit cell into Z. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell A cube. What is the value of A for simple cubic system? 2R. A cube means I will mention 8 r cube into Z. Z is 1 for simple cubic system. There is only one particle per unit cell in simple cubic system. 4 to the 8, r cube cancel, it becomes equals to pi by 6. Pi by 6. What's the value of pi? 3.14 upon 6. Students, we got 0.524. That is packing fraction. Packing fraction for simple cubic system is 0.524. Now we have to find packing percentage. Packing percentage means multiply packing fraction by 100. Packing percentage multiply this by 100, we got 52.4. 52.4%. That's first system, simple cubic system. We already know packing percentage for simple cubic system is 52.4%. Only we have to derive an article for it. Simple cubic system, A is edge length and R is radius of sphere. It is clear A is equal to 2R. In simple cubic system, A is directly mentioned. Then apply it volume of sphere upon total volume into Z. We got pi by 6. 0.524 packing fraction and packing percentage is equal to 52.4%. After this, student, second is FCC system. FCC system, you know, in FCC system the constituent particles are present at corners plus 1 at the center of each face. Constituent particles at corners plus 1 at the center of each face. That's the first face. Second alternate, third, its opposite 4, fifth student's front face and sixth back face. It is FCC system. In FCC system, students, we have to mention one face diagonal. We have to mention one face diagonal. Please divide diagonally one of the face. Automatically you go face diagonal. You can do in any way. Let it be the point A, it be the point B, and it be the point C. That is FCC system, and we mention one face diagonal in FCC system. There are 3 particles at face diagonal, 2 at corner and 1 at center of face. Again same, A is as length and R is the radius of sphere. A is as length and R is the radius of sphere. Now students, please consider right angle triangle ABC. According to right angle triangle ABC, AC का square is equal to AB का square plus BC का square. AC का square is equal to AB का square plus BC का square. AB and BC, these are as length. AB is as length and BC is again as length. As length is A, so I mention A square plus A square. AC का square is equal to 2A square. AC is equal to root 2A. Students, after this, from the structure it is clear that AC is equal to, from the structure it is AC, students, face diagonal. How many spheres are there? 3. 2 at terminal positions, 1 at center of face. It contains 3 spheres. 1, 2 and 3. From the structure it is clear that AAC is equal to, students, that's R radius, that's again R radius, R plus R, 2R. From the structure it is clear that AC is equal to 4R, students. R and 2R, 4R. AC is equal to 4R. Now students, that's equation 2. Please try the same in your notebook. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Root 2A is equal to 4R. A equal to 2 root 2R. When we got the value of A, we directly apply the formula packing fraction equal to volume of sphere upon total volume of unit cell into Z. For simple cubic pattern, students, we directly got A, that is A is equal to 2R, and then we apply formula. For FCC system, at first we select one face diagonal and then apply right angle triangle ABC. From the structure AC is equal to 4R, we got the value of A. That's the formula, students. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of unit cell A cube. A is equal to 2 root 2R. Its cube is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 root 2 R cube into 16 root 2 R cube into Z. For FCC system, all of you know Z is 4. It means for FCC system, we consider 4 times the volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell. 4 4 is 16, it will divide. R cube divide. What we got? Pi upon 3 root 2, students. Pi upon 3 root 2. What's the value of pi? 2.14. Root 2, 1.414. we got 0.74 students, because packing percentage is 74%, which we already know. Packing fraction is 0.74. What is packing percentage? Packing fraction into 100, that is 74%. Packing percentage for FCC 74. I think the value of pi is 3.14. Sorry for that. 3.143 into root 2, 1.414. 0.74. Packing percentage 74. Derive an expression to find packing percentage for FCC arrangement. We know our answer is 74%. Only we have to mention in this ways. Please at first mention FCC, then draw one phase diagonal. In phase diagonal there are 3 particles, 2 at corner and 1 at the center of phase. Then calculate the value of A and then apply the formula, students. We got the answer. After this, the third is BCC arrangement. We know for BCC arrangement the packing percentage is 68%. Already known. Only we have to derive an expression. Simple cubic, then second FCC, third is BCC. What is BCC? All of you know. That is contain constituent particles at corners. Constituent particles at corners plus 1 at the body center. Students, in FCC arrangement we have to mention body diagonal. It is body diagonal, students. Contain 1 particle of body center and 2 of corners. Again same, A, B, C and D. Suppose A is the edge length and R is the radius of sphere. After this, consider right angle triangle ABC at first. It does not has any particle in this case because it is BCC. AC does not contain particle. Consider right angle triangle ABC. We got AC ka square is equal to AB ka square plus BC ka square. AB and BC, these are edge lengths. Edge length is small a. We got AC ka square is equal to 2A square. After this, students, we will put the value of AC when we consider right angle triangle ACD. Consider right angle triangle ACD. AD ka square is equal to AC ka square plus CD ka square. Now what's the value of AC ka square? 2A square. That's the reason at first we find AC ka square. In ACD we have to put the value of AC square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square is equal to 2A square. CD, it is as length A square. We got AD ka square is equal to 3A square. AD square is equal to 3A square. Now from the structure it is clear that AD, again it contains 3 spheres. R plus 2R. AD is equal to 4R. AD is equal to 4R. Equation 2, students. Compare these two. Root 3A is equal to 4R. A is equal to 4 root 3R. When we know the value of A, we apply the formula packing fraction equal to volume of sphere upon total volume into Z. For BCC, we consider 2 times the volume of sphere because for BCC system Z is 2. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Total volume of unit cell A cube. Students, what's the value of A? This one. A cube means 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 3 root 3. Its cube 64 r cube upon 3 root 3. Root 3 cube, 3 root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. Now students, again 4 2 is 8, 8 8 is 40, 64. 3 and 3 cancel, r cube cancel. What we got? Equals to root 3 pi upon 8. When we divide this, we got packing fraction equals to √3 pi upon 8. √3 is equal to 1.73. What's the value of pi? 3.14 upon 8. Dear students, we know packing percentage for BCC is 68%. It means packing fraction is definitely 0.68. No need to go for calculation, write directly. Definitely it is 0.68. Packing fraction 0.68. Then after this packing percentage, packing fraction multiply by 100. That is 68%. That's all for the calculation of packing percentage. That's our today's topic, calculation of packing percentage. For simple cubic 52.4%. In simple cubic structure the coordination number is 6. For FCC 74% and coordination number is 12. BCC 68% and coordination number is 8. Thank you.